This is a quick video on how to calculate the terms of a sequence. So if we have a problem like this that says find the first four terms in the sequence, n represents the position of a term in the sequence. Start with n equals 1. So we have negative 25n minus 23. So to find the first term, plug in n equals 1. So let's do that. We have minus 25 times 1 minus 23. So that just becomes minus 48. Minus 25 times 1 is just negative 25. So you add these two together and then you put the negative sign in front. To find the second term, plug in n equals 2. So you just put 2 in for n here and then you multiply that out. And it gives you negative 25 times 2 is negative 50, minus 23 equals negative 73. Now to find the third term, plug in n equals 3. So we put 3 in here. So minus 25 times 3, minus 23. So minus 25 times 3 is minus 75, and then minus 23 equals minus 98. Now to find the fourth term, plug in n equals 4. So we do that. Minus 25 times 4 minus 23 equals minus 100. Minus 23 equals minus 123. So the first four terms of the sequence are minus 48, minus 73, minus 98, and minus 123. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.